Hi viewers, welcome to Creative Book Covering. Explore various styles. In this tutorial, I will guide you through the process of covering a book in different styles to give you cherished books a unique and personalized touch. Whether you are an avid reader, a book collector, or just looking to revamp your bookshelf in this tutorial, I will help you to create eye-catching covers that reflects your personality and creativity. Material we needed: book to be covered, wrapping paper or fabric of your choice, scissor, double-sided tape or glue, ribbons, button or other embellishments, clear adhesive plastic wrap. First of all, classic elegance: measure the book dimensions and add an extra inch on all sides of wrapping. Cut the wrapping paper to the measured dimensions. Place the book in the center of the paper and fold the sides by covers all the sides of the book cover. To finish, tie a satin ribbons around the book's spine for an elegant touch. Next, vintage charm. Choose a vintage inspiration fabric or paper with a folded look. Measure and cut the fabric. Center the book in the fabric and wrap it. Secure the fabric in the side of double-sided tape or glue. Minimalist modern. Measure and cut the paper, ensuring it covers the book with an inch of spare on all sides. Wrap the books tightly, creating tips fold at the edges. Whimsical fantasy. Choose a whimsical, colorful wrapping paper or fabric with patterns like stars, clouds, or magical creatures. Cut the paper, leaving some room for folding and creativity. Wrap the book, allowing the paper fabric to have a slightly uneven and playful appearance. Enhance the theme by attaching dried flowers, leaves, or a small twig to the front cover using glue. Now, congratulations, you have now mastered at the art of covering book in various styles.